In this video I'm going to show you how I'd set up an automatic watering system with a timer. We're actually using the AC1 timer here. It's really simple, you just connect it onto your outdoor tap like so. The next component I'm going to add is this, it's the pressure reducer, which actually keeps the water pressure consistent all the way through. It's really simple once more. I just add it to the bottom of the timer like so, and it screws on really easily. Within the 15-metre supply tube, I've now cut a length which is suitable for my watering system, and I'm just going to simply attach it to the pressure reducer like so. Now I've connected the supply tube, I need to use the 4mm tubing to distribute the water to the various pots. The way to do that is to pierce a hole in the tube itself with the handy little hole punch here, like so. That's now created the hole, and I've got a little adapter which I'm going to put in to the hole punch and then simply screw it in. And there we have it. With the adapter screwed in, I've added a cut of the 4mm tubing, which I'm now going to put onto the dripper. It's really important here we add it to the arrow end of the dripper, as we can see there. And it's dead simple. Again, just push it in like so, and then we put the dripper into the pot, and you're ready to go. I've repeated that step several times. You'll need to do it for the amount of plants, obviously, that you need to water. And once you've done that, really simple, don't forget to bung the end, because if you don't, water's going to come out of it. Give it a twist down like so, put the cap on top, and we're ready to go. Now what we need to do is switch on the water. As you can see, the water is flowing out of the dripper nice and steadily, but for demonstration purposes we put it at the edge of the pot, but really you want to aim it all the way in, nice and close to the roots as well, so that it gets the maximum amount of water. As you can see, the drippers are perfect for small areas such as pots, but if you've got a larger area such as bedding plants to deal with, then we've got various different components you can use. Attach them in exactly the same way as you would do to the tubing, and this is a 180-degree adjustable microjet, which is perfect for bedding plants. If we just switch the tap on, you'll see it working on a high spike, which, as you can see, waters a much larger surface area.